Why you need to earn more? Unang reason is to build your wealth faster. Kagaya ng sa sample natin, kung nakakapag-save ka ng 3,000 per month, after 20 years, kung natuto ka mag-invest, meron kang 2.9 million. Pero, kung may additional kang 3,000 per month na kayang isave dahil nag-part-time job ka or business, may extra income ka, kung 6,000 na ang nagagawa mong ma-invest, mas malaki. So, after 20 years, meron kang 5.88 million. Doble yung magiging fund mo kasi doble yung kaya mong ipunin. And then, pangalawang reason is to prepare for your upcoming responsibility. Kung isa lang ang anak mo ngayon, possible na maging dalawa, tatlo, so madadagdagan yung responsibility natin. Napansin mo ba? Yung mga responsibility natin hindi bumababa eh, lalo lang talaga nadadagdagan. Like, kahit na nga single ka, yung inflation, di ba? Like, kung yung worth 1,050 na nabibili mo ngayon, after 10 years, 1,700 ang dapat meron ka para mabili mo yung same quantity na nabibili mo ngayon. And of course, pangatlong reason bakit kailangan natin ng extra income is to create passive income. And, syempre, kagaya nito, kung nakakapag-save ka ng 1,000 per month, and magawa mo yan, in 20 years, meron kang 1 million projected fund kung matuto ka mag-invest. Imagine mo, sa 1,000 pesos per month pa lang yan, may 1 million ka. So, kung i-compute natin 10% yung passive income mo niyan, money working for you, meron kang 100,000 na passive income. Divided by 12, meron kang around 8,000 per month na passive income. Tulong yan or additional sa pension na marireceive mo from the government. Paano pa pag mas malaki yung kaya mong ipunin at i-invest? Like, kung 6,000 per month in 10 years, meron kang 1.4 million. To know more about savings and investment, message nyo lang ako sa Facebook, Roan Celis Capistrano.